is your Pradeep Chaudhary. In my last video, I explained about prepositions of time. Now in this video, I will explain about prepositions of place. So if you take at, so we have to use at a point. If you want to mention regarding any point, you can use the at regarding place. At the door. So door is at a point. At the door, at the crossroads, at the traffic lights. If you want to mention particularly a point, you can use the at regarding place. Okay, at the door, at the crossroads, at the traffic lights. In this way, you can explain. Next one, regarding top, regarding bottom, regarding end of. If you want to speak about top, you can use the at. If you want to speak about the bottom, you can use the at. If you want to speak about the end of, you can use the at. So if you see at the top of the stairs, at the top of the stairs, at the bottom of the page, at the bottom of the page, at the end of the street. In this way, we can use the at. And next, regarding group activities, which we used to do in school life, college life, in our society, in each and everywhere. At that time, we can use the at a party, at a concert, at the cinema. In this way, regarding group activity also, we can mention at. And regarding school and university, we can say at school, at university. And regarding homework, at home or at work. Regarding home and work, at home and at work. Regarding shops, any shops, at the bakery, at a cafe. In this way, if you want to speak about, all these are talking about the place by using at. So regarding point, regarding top, bottom, end of, regarding group activities, and regarding school and university, regarding home and work, regarding shops, all these are talking about the prepositions of place. Just now we mentioned all these are regarding place only by using at. Now by using in, we can mention about the place. In the bag. So bag is one of the place. In the bag. In the classroom. In a book. And next to territory. If you want to speak about the territory. So in London. In Europe. In the Alps, in the world. Regarding car and van, in the car, in a van. Water, in the sea, in a river, in a lake, in a swimming pool. And a printed material, in a book, in a picture, in the newspaper. By using in, just now I explained about the places. How we have to explain places by using in. Territory, car and van, water, as well as the printed materials. All these are talking about the place and we used in these cases. Next one, on. So it is also going to talk about the place. On a surface. On the table, on the carpet, on the roof, on the sofa. It is talking about the plain surface or a rough surface. And next one is the floor. On the first floor, on the fifth floor. And regarding, if you want to mention about right and left also, you can use the on. On the right, on the left. And regarding public transport, so you have to use on the bus, on the train, on a plane. And next to media, on the radio, on TV, on the internet, on a website. So these are the few prepositions which are talking about place. That is called preposition of place. So it is talking about place, and in is talking about place, and on is talking about the place. These are very important topics regarding prepositions of a place. Thank you.